Alright guys, in last video we showed you how you run your fast Java programming. Today we will show you how you can create a simple calculator using Java. So to do that, again we are going to our last project, go to source, and we have a source package here, Relax. So right on Relax, right click on Relax, create class. So I'm giving a name called calculator and I'm selecting main method. So just finish it. Now a new class has been created. I will do coding here. So firstly, to do that we are taking some input. So I'm taking integer x equal to integer number 1 equal to suppose 10, integer number 2 equal to 20, and I took some integer called addition means add, subtraction means sub, multiplication means mul, and division means div. So I took some input here. Now I will do some basic things. So we are adding two number 1 plus number 2 and subtract them from number 1 to number 2. Sorry, I did a mistake. Okay, then multiplication, again number 1, number 2, and finally division. Number 1 by number 2. All right, so task completed. Now we will print them. So here what I did, I'm gonna explain again. So in addition we add two number, in subtraction we subtract number 1 from number 2, and in multiplication we multiply them, and in division we divide one from another. So we have taken all of them as integer value. So in our result we will get integer output. So we will print them. To print that, again we will write system dot out dot print ln. So another thing, there may be a question in your mind why we are writing print ln. So instead of that we can write only print. So we are writing print ln. Ln means line. So to add a new line we are using print ln. I'm gonna explain it in this video after a short time. So now in print ln I will just write add, and I will end it. So I just copy and paste them. Multiplication and division. Alright, let's just print them. So I'm printing them. So here I took first value 10, second value 20. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and last one is division. As I took integer value, that's why 10 divided by 20, that means 0.5. So 0.5 wouldn't be counted, point is counted in integer type. That's why we got result 0. So if I get higher value in number 1, now let's see what happened. Okay, so adding together, now exact result came. So if I don't give ln, so let's see what happens if I don't give ln in everyone. So if I tell it ln, so let's see what happens. Okay, look, as I didn't give ln, so all the numbers have been printed, so I can't understand anything, so I need a new line to print everyone to understand. That's why here we will give print ln. Alright, and however we can also add some text in it. In last video I told you that if we want to add some text, we will give a quotation and we will write. So I'm giving addition of two number is, so if I keep like that, and if I want to add text and also print something, then in between them we will give a plus sign. Alright, so let's just print now. Look, I wrote addition of two number is, so I wrote addition of two number is in an quotation and then give a plus and just print it. So I think you have understood how we have to print in Eclipse. Now I can change this type integer to like I can give it float, so float, just copying. So if I give float, so I have to give everything float. Alright, so now let's see what happens. I'm giving first value is 10, so if let's see what happens. Look, in division point have come, so in that way you can change your types like integer, float, string, whatever you want to write, and you can print something, you can add text, also print something by that. So guys, in next video I will show you how you can take input from users. Here I gave input manually, but in next video I will show you how you can give input from a user. So there you can use different inputs from user. So stay connected. Goodbye.